Hear a strange noise coming from your furnace? At Standard Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning, we know those clanks, bangs, or whistles are more than just an annoyance. They are early warning signs that something's not right. Ignoring these sounds can turn a simple fix into a costly repair or even a full system breakdown. Banging or popping could mean your furnace is struggling with ignition or expanding ductwork. Squealing or whistling often points to a loose blower belt or clogged filter. Rattling might signal loose parts or even a cracked heat exchanger, which is a serious safety risk. And grinding usually means a motor or blower issue that could leave you without heat if not addressed. Catching these problems early can save you stress, money, and the hassle of an unexpected breakdown in the middle of winter. Don't wait for a small noise to become a big problem. Trust Standard to keep your home safe and comfortable. Call Standard today at 785-776-5012 to schedule your furnace inspection.